What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is lesson 3 for quadratic equation and solving quadratic equation using the square root property. So the first example I want to show you is 2 over 3x squared plus 5 equals to 17. The answer is, we need to isolate x squared first. So I write 2 over 3x squared and I move 5 to the right hand side, will be 17 minus 5. So it will be 2 over 3 x squared equals to 12. And then we can divide both sides by 2 over 3. So it's going to be x squared equals to 12 divided by 2 over 3. Which will be 36 divided by 2 or 18. So x squared is equal to 18. So x will be plus minus square root of 18, which will be 18 is 9 times 2, square root of 9 times square root of 2, which will be plus minus 3 root 2. So there are two answers. One of them is plus 3 root 2, the other one is negative 3 root 2. Next example. One over 2 x squared plus 4 equals to 28. Answer is 1 over 2x squared equals to 28 minus 4, which will be 24. And then 1 over 2x squared is 24, so it means that x squared will be 2 times 24, which is 48. So x will be plus minus square root of 48, which is plus minus 16 times root 3, or plus minus 4 root 3. So again, there are two answers. One of them is plus 4 root 3, the other one is negative 4 root 3. Next question. It is 3 over 4 m squared minus 3 equals to 18. Answer is 3 over 4 m squared equals to 21. Then m squared is going to be 21 divided by 3 over 4, which will be 84 divided by 3. 84 divided by 3 is 28. So m will be plus minus square root of 28, which will be 28 is 7 times 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so it's going to be plus minus 2 root 7. So again, there are two answers. One of them is positive 2 root 7. The other one is negative root 7. Negative 2 root 7. And that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of playlists and videos regarding different topics in math and chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.